So guys, if you guys want a really cool breakfast, I do recommend the Bluebird Cafe in Masvingo. If you are in Masvingo, I think it's well presented. It's a nice place to have breakfast and everything with your family. So this is the place. It looks for something like this. Really neat. This is the area. So I'm here with the family. That's today's special. Today is quite a little bit chilly, not crazy. So we are eating in this room right here. Hello.
Hi.
And this is where we are. Hey guys, I'm so sorry I just dug into my breakfast. I forgot. Got coffee. These ones are eating the waffles and maple syrup and ice cream and bacon. It's nice. It's nice,
Yes.
Enjoying yourself.
Guys. Yes.
Okay.
Don't forget me.
Are you enjoying yourself?
Yes.
Good.
Nice and sweet.
Good. Waiting for yours now. This is what you're having for dinner. For breakfast. Okay guys, let us enjoy.